Okay, chicos, buenos días. May dice buenos días. No? Okay. It's like every day in class when you guys don't respond to me. See what it feels like? Feels real. Okay. So, chicos, hoy vamos a aprender de 4.2. So today you're just going to have to take notes in your little notebooks. Look, shout out period 4. Okay, I'm going to take some notes. All you guys have to do is copy these notes and then submit proof that you took notes. So we are going to work from chapter Lección 4. Okay, it's about pasatiempos. We've already done some of that. So you guys are learning the vocab. Okay, and we are going to do present tense of ir. Very ironic. Ir means to go. Y'all can't go anywhere right now, but it's all good. So if you guys remember, there are two kinds of verbs. There's there's regular verbs and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs completely change the way they look. And if you remember, ser, which means to be, is irregular because it goes from ser to be soy, es, son, somos, eres, which completely changes the form of the verb. So ir is also an irregular verb because it completely changes form from ir to starting with a V. So all you have to do is memorize these, and very easy, and I'm very confident that you'll be able to do it. But today all you have to do is copy these notes, study them a little bit, and then you're going to practice with them on VHL, and that's it. Okay, so please bear with me as I work on my document camera here on my little TV tray. All right, so present tense of ir. The verb ir to go is irregular in the present tense. Present tense, remember, we're talking about now. Note that except for the yo form, voy, and the lack of a written accent on the vosotros, vice, the endings are the same as those for regular present AR verbs, because AS is how we conjugate like caminar, caminas, right? Okay, maybe you remember that? I don't know. All right, so we're going to copy down notes. Okay. So, apuntes de 4.1, and it's present tense of ir, which means to go. So if we don't conjugate it, it literally says to go. So like you would use it in a sentence, but you wouldn't conjugate it. It would translate to go. Okay, like all the food we're getting, it's to go. All right, so we're going to do our little verb tree. And we're going to do, I'm just checking. All right, so we've got yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Remember, we don't do vosotros because we don't. Okay, yo translates to I. To translates to you, like you're talking to someone that you know. Él is he, she, and you formal. Nosotros is we. Ellos, ellas, ustedes is them, and you all. Please tell me you remember that, because otherwise I'm depressed. Okay, so if I was to say I go, it would be yo voy. Voy. If I say you go, it's tú vas. Él, ella, or usted va. He goes, she goes, you formal go. Okay, nosotros vamos. We go. Ellos, ellas, ustedes van. So remember, asa, amos, an. It's the same as an AR verb, except for the yo, which is voy, which kind of sounds like soy. So there is some connection there. Okay. So I'm going to upload this page to Google Classroom so you can see it. So often ir is used with a or with a, which means to, which is a preposition. If a is followed by the definite article el, they combine to be al. If a is followed by the other definite articles, la, las, los, there's no contraction. So just with a and el, it's going to be al. So because voy al parque, because it would be yo voy a el parque, we combine it to be al. Okay? So I'm going to write down, we're going to make a little star here. So ir plus a means go to. And then if a is followed by el, we combine them to make al, not al. Okay, so if I was to say, I go to the park, but I stay 6 feet away from my friends because I'm being socially distant, right? I would say yo, and then what's the form of go for yo is voy. To is a, and then we have el parque, so we're going to do al parque. Oh, crap. Okay. But if I was to say I'm going to school, it would be different. Or I'd say you go to school. But don't go to school because it's illegal. You go to school. Don't you all wish you were in school? I do. So we'd say you is tu. Go for tu is vas. And then tu is a, but escuela is feminine. So it's la escuela. So we don't combine a and la. We say a la escuela. Okay. All right, so then we have the construction of ir a infinitive. Infinitive is an unconjugated verb. It is used to talk about actions that are going to happen in the future. It is equivalent to the English to be going plus infinitive. Okay, so I'm going to read. I'm going to study. I'm going to get my work done this week. Okay. Ir a plus infinitive, infinitivo, which is an unconjugated verb, is going to do something. In the future. In the future, Miss Byers is going to go on a vacation at some point. Okay, so if I was to say, let's use one of our examples from vocab. One of our examples is escribir una carta, write a letter. So I would say, yo voy a escribir una carta. That translates to, I am going to write a letter. Okay, let's do another one. Él va a leer un libro. You definitely should read a book. If you haven't read a book yet, get it together, kids. Okay. He is going to read a book. Okay. Last one. Vamos a plus infinitive equals we are going to do something. Are we though? Okay, chicos. Aquí son los apuntes. So now you need to upload a video, a picture of your notes that look like this, and then you need to use those notes to do your VHL. And then we'll do more practice with this next week. Okay, dice adios, meme. Meme. Adios. Downward dog. Okay, chicos, adios, chicos.